Hello guys and welcome back. Now today's topic is going to be on building those muscles, and I will break down 5 steps how to build lean muscle mass. So let's go. First is calorie surplus. If you're serious about making those gains, you need to eat because your body needs extra calories to build muscle. You need to be consuming enough calories in order to get your body to grow. So you need to be in a calorie surplus, which means consuming more calories than you're exerting when it comes to your energy. And you should start with about 300 to 400 additional calories per day and see how your body reacts. Second, you need to have clean nutrition. Calories are not equal. Different foods are processed by the body differently, have different effects on blood sugar levels, and so on. So if you start to eat processed, high sugar, low nutritious food just because you want to gain, you will easily gain excess fat. So still focus on healthy and whole foods, but increase your portion size. My third tip is to focus on weight training and progressive overload. If you want to gain muscle, you need to minimize cardio. So instead of spending hours and hours doing a heap of cardio, really focus on and prioritize weight training. Too many of you girls are focusing purely on cardio as your main focus in the gym and leaving no attention on the weight room. But by having a well-designed training program around building muscle and with progressive overload, you will see it will get you far greater results with your body composition than cardio will ever do for you. Because lifting weights will create that feminine bikini body shape. And remember that progressive overload is key to growth. You need to push your body to keep doing more to place greater tension on your muscles over time. So with each workout, you should increase weight, implement more sets and reps, decrease rest periods, or add new exercise variations and methods. Tip number 4 is to start focusing on your compound lifts. And these are your big lifts like squat and deadlift. These exercises will allow you to use different muscle groups, so it will allow you to lift heavier. So you should focus on getting stronger. Regardless of the rep range, you should still be aiming to increase your strength, whether it be 3 reps or 15 reps. Tip number 5 is consistent training. Obviously, your body will only build muscle if you show them that you need them. Otherwise, there will be no need for a body to put in the effort to build additional strength or muscles in specific area that isn't in your normal daily life. So you need to increase volume because if you want to grow, you need to hit that muscle with frequency. So for example, my big focus is on growing glutes, and I have been training them 3 times per week. And in my workouts, I like using methods like high reps, drop sets, constant tension, rest pauses, 1 and 1/4 reps, and so on. And these things really burn AF. And the message I want to leave you with is that building muscle is a long process. So stop looking for shortcuts because there are none. If you put in the work day after day, week after week, and month after month, you will see results. So don't try to rush a process that requires a patience to get there. So it is time that you put in the effort, and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful videos just like this one.